Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to discuss with you all about skeletal system of the human body. So let's learn deep about what is the skeletal system and what are the parts of the skeletal system of the human body. Okay, so now let's learn the parts of the skeletal system. Parts of the skeletal system are: one is bones we have and connective tissue. These bones and connective tissue are very important for our body, right? If we don't have bones, then it's a problem. We have the connective tissue, means one cell to another cell. Bones and connective tissue are mainly, they will protect and also mechanically support. They will protect us. They will protect us, and it also supports. It also mechanically it will support. Mechanically it will support. It will give support for the body tissue and also for the internal organs. Means our bones, why we have bones and why we have this all the connecting layers for our body? Because to protect our internal organs in the body, we need these bones and also connecting layers. So these are the first main parts of the skeletal system of the human body is bones and connective tissue. We have bones and we have muscles all over the entire body. We will have bones and muscle layers that is covers entire body, and it will protect. It will definitely protect us. These bones and muscle layers will give protection to our internal organs. Internal organs means what? Like a heart, lungs, all these pulmonary system, blood, all this. For all these to give protection, we need covering layer. That is called bones and that is muscle layers. This total entire system is called as skeletal system. Skeletal system of the body. What is the main function of the skeletal system? Main function of the skeletal system is, it will, I already told, we have the bones and muscle layers. It will protect, means it will protect the internal organs, and because we have the bones and muscle layers, it will help us to move. If we are moving, means that is because of our skeletal system of the body. We are moving, we are walking, we are jumping, we are doing any activity. First you have to remember what is important, that is skeletal system. To do any work, we need skeletal system of the body. That is bones, muscle layers, connective tissues, and so many things, so many parts are there. I will explain in detail. Now, how many bones present in our body? We have 206 bones. You know how many bones we have? 206 bones we have in our body, and along with 206 bones we have ligaments, tendons, cartilage. What and all we have? Along with the bones, we have 206 bones in our body, ligaments we have, tendons we have, cartilage we have. All are these, all total is skeletal system, I already told. So total these bones, ligaments, tendon, cartilage, these all are supporting structures to our body. So if these all not present, in this one not present also, that's not, we are not able to move, we are not able to do any activity. So all this will support main function like vital. Vital function means what? Very important function of skeletal system is, it will give mainly mechanical support. The main vital function of the skeletal system is, it gives mechanical support. we are getting the support means that's because of our bones, our muscles, our cartilage, tendon, ligaments. So because of that we are getting support. We are getting one support to move, to walk, to sit, to stand. All this, for this we are getting the support from our skeletal system. And the second one is movement. If we are doing movement, we are walking, we are sitting, all this movement, all this activity we are doing mean that is because of the bones, ligaments and all these supporting structures. And the next thing is this protection. Protection for what? It gives protection for the internal organs. Internal organ means I told you already, like heart, lungs, kidneys, all these organs are protected by our bones, that is skeletal system. Next thing is what? Blood cell production. Blood cell production means we have blood cells, and in that blood cells all it will give nutrition to the blood cell. All this kind of there are so many factors in that also. I will explain in the circulatory system about the blood related things and all. So for all this system, like it gives support, it gives movement, it gives protection, it gives blood cell production, and also it is a main barrier for the calcium storage. It is main barrier for the calcium. Means we always will tell, especially bones needed calcium. So we will be taking in our daily life some milk, eggs and all these for improving our calcium in the body. So it is a main source. Bones are the main source for the calcium storage. And so many like hormonal, everything for that skeletal system is important.